Hello friends, welcome to our channel InhouseERP. This is video number 13 in MS Excel. Today we are going to learn how to use equal function under conditional formatting in MS Excel. So this video will become very interesting. So I hope you do like, share, subscribe our channel. So let's come to see. This is our database. We created already. Go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell and this equal to function. Now see what we do. This is color selection. Now we click Deepak Sharma and it will match the same content and make the color red. Sachin Kumar, both three data are same. Now you see this is Gur double space Prasad and second is different Gur and third is Gur single space Prasad. So this will not match. Again this is not match. Now I give only single space. Now two content will be same. Now you see Guru Prasad both data is matching. So this is another more example. Rimpy both are same but middle one is not matching because there is a single space in front of the text. And now this is only due to the space. There is no space and here is a space. So I'll give single space. And now you see. So space is a matter. If there is space, this will not match. So thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel and keep support us. And very soon we will bring video series in HTML hypertext markup language. This will create static pages for the website. So thank you for watching.